I worked all day today and I took an everything shower. I have this face mask that I have to keep on for almost 3 hours. And then I have my book, which I'm gonna read right now. I have my cute candle lit and my water. Yeah. Thank you very much. So I have a mini book haul. I just came back from the bookstore. It's just 2 books, but first one is A Love Letter to Whiskey. This has been on my TBR for a while. It's by Candy Steiner. This is like a gut-wrenching love story, which I have been in need of. It's been a while, so I'm excited, but also scared for this one. And then I got Conform, which was 50% off, and this is like, I've also been wanting this one. And this is like, I'm pretty sure a dystopian, I think there's love triangle, I don't know, but sounded interesting. Usually, oh, that's pretty. I actually had a lot of books in my, in my basket that I was carrying. It was like 7 books, but I narrowed it down to these 2, and then I'll go back for the other ones I wanted later.
And he's like, she's talking, how are you?
That's she's like, peaceful hang out with my friends.
That's how I read it.
I just got my nails done after work. Oh my god. Oh my.
Love you. Have fun at school tomorrow.
Current read, which is Eternal Ruin by Tigis Germa. I took the sleeve off because duh. Oh, it's so good. This is the second book. Immortal Dark was the first book and I finished that a couple months ago, but I just picked up the second book and I'm like this far in. It's so good and it's so pretty. It's a special edition and she's signed. She is signed. And look at the little things she drew. Get it? Because it's a vampire book. Duh. I loved the first book. I actually have it over there. and I'm loving the second book as well.
My fingers are weird.
She's right though. It's fine.
Wow, bye bye, उसका चलती है.
That was so fun. Say hi. Okay, go. Oh my god, why is it?
I'm freezing. I almost just died like 5 times. But we're doing this.
It's so funny watching men.
Really strong. Yes, get that cardio in.
It's a video, girl.
We need flour for you, I feel.
If anyone needs like a hand warmer, I have hand warmers too. Also, my car is focused showing one take for each thing.
It's really
Oh, this is a
dark.
video? Hey, I feel like last time it was...
Oh! Attitude.
Now walk off.
So before I end the vlog, I want to talk about the 2 books that I recently finished reading. The Wicked King and Eternal Ruin. I finished The Wicked King a couple weeks ago, I think. It was pretty good. Definitely better than the first book, which is The Cruel Prince. I did not enjoy The Cruel Prince, okay? I did not like it up until like the very end. It's right here. Up until like the very end where everything was going down, did I have any interest. All of the beginning, I just feel like there was no plot, or like, I don't know, it's really slow, and I know a lot of people like it, but maybe it was just not my cup of tea, you know. But I did continue with the second book because everyone was saying, by the way, please ignore my nails, I'm trying to take them off, but everyone was saying how it gets better, and it did get better in the second book, and I am actually now excited for the third book, and I already bought it. It's the Queen of Nothing. It's over there on my desk, and I'm gonna read that soon. The plot twist at the end, by the way, no spoilers, but like the plot twist at the end I love a good plot twist. Like, it just makes the whole reading experience so much better. So this was good, definitely better than the first book, and I will be continuing. So yeah. Next. Okay, so okay, this was just amazing. Okay, amazing, like actually amazing. I read the first book, which is Immortal Dark. I read it back in like October for like spooky season because it's like a vampire story, and I loved, oh my god, I loved the first book so much. So I had to get the second one, and I got it signed, as you saw. So pretty too. There was no paperback. I did not find any paperback, so I just got the hardcover, but that's okay because it's beautiful. But I read Eternal Ruin by Tigist Germa. Oh my god, I loved it. It did take me a while to get through just because like school and life was getting in the way, but this was really it was so good. And there's supposed to be a third book coming out sometime this year, sometime in 2026, so I am very excited. I loved every second of it, all the plot twists, it would be an understatement to say it was an emotional roller coaster because it was just so much more than that. Like, I don't, like, you could be happy in one page and then turn the next page and someone dies. It's like, girl, like, oh my god, it's so good. Yes. Bam, that was my reading update.